Imagine investing your spare change into a basket of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Sounds simple, right? That's the idea behind Raiz, a popular micro-investing platform. But here's the million-dollar question: can you actually lose money with Raiz? Understanding Raiz. Let's break down how Raiz works. Essentially, you link your bank account to the app and choose an investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. Every time you round up your purchases, the difference is automatically invested. It's a painless way to start building wealth. The risk factor. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the risk of losing money. While Raiz offers a relatively low-risk approach to investing, it's important to understand that no investment is completely risk-free. Even the most diversified portfolios can experience fluctuations. Key factors affecting returns. Several factors can influence your returns on Raiz. First and foremost is the performance of the underlying investments. If the market takes a downturn, your portfolio may also experience losses. Additionally, the fees associated with Raiz can impact your overall returns. Diversification and risk management. One of the key benefits of Raiz is its diversification strategy. By investing in a basket of assets, you can potentially mitigate the impact of individual stock or bond performance. However, it's essential to choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. The importance of time and patience. Remember, investing is a long-term game. While you may experience short-term fluctuations, the power of compound interest can work wonders over time. The longer you stay invested, the more likely you are to see positive returns. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples to illustrate the potential risks and rewards of Raiz. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, even diversified portfolios experienced significant losses. However, those who remained invested and weathered the storm were rewarded with substantial gains in the years that followed. When to consider Raiz. Raiz is a great option for those who want to start investing with minimal effort and a low-risk approach. It's particularly suitable for beginners who are unfamiliar with the complexities of traditional investing. However, if you're seeking higher returns or have a more aggressive investment strategy, you may want to explore other options. So, can you lose money with Raiz? The answer is yes, but the likelihood of significant losses is relatively low due to its diversification strategy and low-risk approach. However, it's essential to understand the risks involved and choose a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a long-term endeavor, so patience and discipline are key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.